Increasing time management skills for achieving goals. Effective goal setting begins and ends with time management. You need to balance your time in the best way possible in order to achieve your goals. Most of us fail to achieve goals because we lack the time. That is why this audio needed to be included in this e-course. We're all pretty busy, aren't we? Whether we're a child, a teenager, young or old, it seems that time becomes more precious with each passing year. But it seems that instant coffee, drive-through fast food, and microwave ovens haven't solved any of that. The concept of time management has been in existence for more than 100 years, believe it or not. Unfortunately, the term time management creates a false impression of what a person is able to do. Time can't be managed. Time is uncontrollable, and we can only manage ourselves and our use of time. That is all that can be done. Time management is actually self-management. For effective time management, we need the ability to plan, delegate, organize, direct, and control every aspect of our lives just to find 30 minutes a day that is devoted to something productive that is just for us. There are common time wasters which need to be identified. In order for a time management process to work, it is important to know what aspects of our personal management need to be improved. Otherwise, what is the point in trying? Here is a list of some of the most frequent reasons for reducing effectiveness in and around our lives. You might want to make note of the ones which are causing to be the major obstacles in your own time management. These are referred to as your time stealers. Identifying your time stealers. Interruptions, for example, the telephone or television. These are also distractions. Interruptions, for example, guests or children. Meetings. Tasks you should have someone else do for you. Procrastination and indecision. Acting without total information. Dealing with other people's issues or problems. Some sort of personal crisis, for example, a family member is sick or injured. Unclear communication. Inadequate knowledge. Unclear objectives and priorities. Lack of planning. Stress, anxiety, and fatigue. The inability to say no to anybody with a request. Personal disorganization. There are quite a few, aren't there? Fortunately, there are strategies you can use to manage your time in a better way and be more in control and reduce stress, but you can analyze your time and see how you may be both the cause and the solution to your time challenges. In the next audio, you'll find out how to deal with time stealers and combat these obstacles to achieving your goals.